JTL presents a first in South Africa, Times of Ascension with Pastor Kiluba Wa Kiluba. Spend a day with the one and only Pastor Kiluba Wa Kiluba. It will be a day of teaching and prayers, question and answers about his missions, featuring the launch of his new book, Dynamic Thoughts, Source of All Success, featuring guest artists Ayo Solanke, Aniti Ezimo, and our very own Voices of Heaven. Venue, Ballroom, Sandton Convention Centre. Time, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. on the 7th of January 2017. You can never recover from a good start. Begin your year on a high note.
Voices of Heaven.